The Capacitor Size Interactive Calculator helps engineers determine energy storage parameters and electrical characteristics for capacitor selection. This calculator offers 6 calculation modes through a drop-down menu. Calculate energy stored. Calculate volume from dimensions. Calculate required capacitance from energy. Calculate voltage from energy and capacitance. Calculate energy density. And calculate capacitive reactance. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Energy Stored. The input fields vary by mode. In Calculate Energy Stored mode, you enter capacitance in microfarads and voltage in volts. Other modes include additional fields like diameter and height in millimeters, required energy in millijoules, operating voltage, energy stored, and frequency in hertz. Let's calculate energy stored using a 470 microfarad capacitor at 25 volts. After clicking Calculate, the results show energy stored equals 146.875 millijoules. The calculator also provides this converted to standard units as 0.146875 joules. Plus, the charge stored equals 11,750 microcoulombs. These values help determine if a capacitor meets your circuit's energy requirements and verify charge capacity for timing applications. This tool streamlines capacitor selection for power supply design and energy storage applications. Find the link in the description below.